but well, all of us nerds are.
Exactly.
It's not a problem that
I got your board back for you. There you go.
How do you do it, though?
Maybe we should have you pointed the other way. You what? It takes a while to get the hang of it. It's about where... Yeah, you're doing so good. You're doing so good, sweetie. How you doing?
Alright. Starbucks where you were.
Get about.
Wait, hold on. Makes me want to go to some random rural field in the middle of nowhere.
We should totally
Honestly,
go to the graveyard. Can we, like, you know the graveyard that we used to go down in the water with? That one way back on the other side of the pond?
Yeah,
That's
we
on
can
the
go
other
there.
We should
side
go
of the
there.
school.
Yeah, and?
Yeah, and we have
And?
legs, like.
You
Well,
have
I
not
didn't
walked?
suggest against it.
Okay, and? What's your point of reference here?
What? You have become increasingly belligerent. It is time to cut you down a size.
How's the prettiest girl in the world?
No worries. Semi-permeable. Permeable to water in large amounts.
I mean, we could go to like the train tracks or something. Or we could go to that trail. The trail. Yeah, that was so cool. The train track trail. The train track trail. Those glasses don't make me short.
Yeah, they do.
They don't.
That's what?
Mom.
I didn't see the mom.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, my tree looks so weird when it's dark and rainy.
Dude, you look so cool with the backdrop of the rain.
Oh, thank you. His voice is so hot. Like, it's just attractive. The voice of the man who says that, like,
No. This is why I hate women.
It's kind of hot.
it is.
It's kind of hot. Where did he go? Oh, he's over there. He's calling me back.
Hey,
Hey!
what are you doing? Oh no,
It was just Scott.
Didn't we?
He was there. He was there. Yeah, you were.
It's not reasonable.
Level 99. I made a whole video about it.
Yeah.
David was there. It was you, David, Aiden, and I.
It's the first time we won. No.
Well, this is gonna be interesting. Hold up, move.
I need to put these somewhere.
Why? I don't want to take your cheese.
I want it.
What if I?
What?
Aiden, why do you want fine? Fine.
Good.
Cheese. Okay, fine. Put it in here. Ugh. The stuff I do for you.
Or is it not?
Well, yeah, as I said, it has carbonic acid.
Okay, but like, who said it has carbonic acid?
Google. And you trust everything you read on the Google. What? On a trip and our favorite rocket ship flight from the cops. It's a mile.
You can't fake laugh at your own jokes unless you're me. That's not how it works.
It could be how it works.
No.
No, I just
Hello?
want to get an angle.
Hello?
I want to get an angle. Leave it alone.
Is this FaceTime? Is this FaceTime?
You're such a child.
That's what I mean.
You can't see it, but that's a great view.
My true desire is to go down every road like it's a highway.
There it is.
Not with me behind.
Oh shoot, my thing is undone.
Yeah, I got you. I'll do it. Oh.
Stop. I already did it.
Take a pee.
Shut up. Why was I thinking the same?
Good.
It really is. We're gonna like it. Hi. This is pretty cool. Down we go. Holy shit, this would be the best place to have like a midnight picnic. Dude, why does this actually hit so freaking much? Nope, that's where Dunkin' is. Like that little strip thing with the juice and stuff, and it, to the left of it. Yeah, it's over there, and then over there is the CVS. I don't want to, but it's not that deep probably. I'll come with you. Yeah. You should do it if you're already in the water. Just do it. A stick. Look.
Is it cold? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Solid. Why does this seriously hit so much right now?
I could just like sit here until morning.
I could too. We should do that sometime.
You should.
And
Not
all-
today because I have to pack tomorrow.
Yeah, and also it's like raining.
Yeah. That's
But we need to like come out here, blankets, and I don't know, man. We
Is that
just
illegal? Probably.
no, but as long as we don't get caught, we won't have like mini lights. We'll bring snacks, midnight
It's
picnic.
not illegal if we don't get caught.
Holy snip snaps! This is so pretty. God, I feel like I could just walk across this. Is that weird?
It gets deeper.
Oh yeah.
There's honestly, I might want to take a